Alright, let's take this to another level. So I'm just gonna create a new file. Let's call this flow control example 5. I'll save as flow control example 5.java. So what we're gonna do right now is add some new features of the if-else statement that allows you to extend the possibilities of what can come out in the different flow control. So what am I saying here? In essence, you can have an if statement with an else statement that has an if statement, and then you can also have another more else statement that has an if statement, and so on. And you can also have an else statement at the end. So let's take a simple example of that. Let's say that in this example we wish to test if age is greater than or equal to 12. So if someone's age is greater than or equal to 12, then what do we tell the person? You can simply spit out name, variable name, concatenate it with okay, let's use less than or equal to 12. So if the age is less than or equal to 12, let's say you are a child. Yes, I'm sure all children less than or equal to 12 are children, right? I'm not making any sense here. So we can practice the multiple statement curly bracket thing. So send out the print line. We can tell the child, please enter the children section. All right, that went well. But what if, and that's why we say else if the age is less than or equal to 19, and anyone who's less than or equal to 19 is a teenager. So we can say system dot out dot print line. We spit out name, whatever the person's name is. Then we tell the person, what do we tell the person? We can say, you are a teenager. So we can also spit out please enter the teenagers section. Okay, just like we told this person to enter the children section, we told this teenager to enter the teenagers section. Also else, okay, I think here the person is clearly an adult, because the age is no longer less than equal to 19. So from 20 ahead, the person is an adult. So we can simply tell the person system dot out dot print line, and system dot out dot print line. You can tell the person name concatenated with you are an adult. So if you're an adult, well, let's be mean to this person. So we can simply say adults are not allowed here. Put exclamation sign to show your meanness. So that would be so sad. So our system out that print line don't. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and execute this, and hopefully we don't have any compilation errors. So this is flow control example 5. Let's make sure we correct that. And then we go ahead and clear the screen in the command prompt and java flow control example 5, the Java. No news is good news. Then execute flow control example 5. So if we ask for the age, let's test for the condition of the age that is less than or equal to 12. So if you are being asked to enter the name, and then I enter the name, let's say Junior, and Junior's age is, let's say 10. Okay, Junior, you're a child, please enter the children's section. Let's run this again with different values. So enter your name, and I enter Eric. Please enter your age, and then I enter, let's say 18. Okay, Eric, you are a teenager. Please enter the teenager section. Done. All right. So let's try it again with Kendrick, and then Kendrick is 30. Oh, Kendrick, adults allowed here. Done. So you can see the flow of how it works depending on the input you gave it to. In terms of the age, you are directed to here. Your age is less than or equal to 12. Else, if your age is less than or equal to 19, you are directed to here. Else, you are adult, and then you are not allowed here. It's as simple as that. So that's it for if else statements, and like I said, you can have more else if statements. So you can have if else if else if else if else if and else, and or you can choose not to have an else. What I advise is to go and play around with similar examples in your program. Try and see what you can do out of it. Try different combinations and see what you can have. The more you try, the more you understand it. So that's it for this particular tutorial. I hope you found this informative. Thanks for viewing, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.